See, like over here, there's no car. You could just go over.
That is crazy.
Yeah, man. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm with my cousin Roy, who has a Ford. What is it? Ford Explorer Sport?
Ford Explorer Sport 2014.
2014, which is a pretty fast SUV. He's never been in my Jeep SRT. This is actually his first time. So I'm actually going to let him drive it. I'm going to let him feel what the bagged cammed SRT feels like. I just want to say real quick too, we're almost hitting 1,000 subs, and I honestly really do appreciate that. We're so close. We're almost there, so I just want to say thank you to you guys. But anyway, we're going to get right into the video. He's going to start up the car, and we're just going to go for a drive. Let him drive it out. Let him drive it, test drive it, whatever, and we'll see how he likes it.
Looking forward to it. Definitely excited. That is a Ford Explorer Sport 2014 V6 twin turbo, but it's not. This is like on another level.
But how much?
So
that has a lot of horsepower, though, right?
It has 365 stock.
365,
which isn't
good.
bad for 2014.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Are the new ones faster?
And the new one's coming in at over 400.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's still pretty fast, though. All right, so he's gonna start it up, and then we'll get into the video. Start it up.
Let's do this. All right.
Uh-oh. All right, so now what you got to do is hold the brake. Actually do it with your left foot. Start it and then give it a little bit of gas. Right now. Keep going. There you go. Yeah, it's because of the cam sometimes. It like needs to feed more gas into the system.
There we go. Okay.
Start it up. So you want to get out to the road. Oh, we can make it right here.
And then it's at Sunrise Highway?
Yeah, so we'll make a left and then we'll go down to Wanto Parkway and we'll hop on that. But the speed limit on here I think is like 45, so you can give it a little bit. Wow. I know, you could just tell like she wants to go.
Yeah, you can tell.
Like she's just ready to like rip. Now she will throw you in sport with the traction off.
So what does cammed mean?
So cammed, basically, like every car comes with a camshaft, but basically what this one is, it's like a custom grind, so it's bigger and it takes more gas to like. I don't know exactly how it works, but I know it takes in more gas.
Gives it more power?
Yeah, it gives it more power. So usually I think you gain like around 30 to 40 horsepower or something like that.
And can you do that with any car?
Yeah, any car can pretty much get cammed. I mean, I don't know about a V6, but I think like V8s can. Actually, to be honest, I don't know. Yeah, I'm sure you can probably do anything to anything if you want.
So this is cammed, bagged.
So this is, yeah, cammed, bagged. It's got so many mods. Long tube headers, the exhaust, the forged internals. So that way the engine is basically bulletproof. So now you can throw a supercharger on it.
It won't blow up.
It won't blow up. Well, at least it shouldn't. But I mean, anything can happen. But the thing is, once you start messing around, you throw the supercharger on there, then the transmission starts to go because it can't handle that kind of horsepower. So that's why the Trackhawk that has a better transmission, has better suspension and stuff like that. So. Once we get over the hill, if you want to punch it, you can. Just to make sure there's no cops.
Do you have, I was about to say, do you have that radar detector?
I do, but you know what? Once we get to like, you'll see it, like basically it'll just be open stretch and there's really no cops over there. There's nowhere for them to hide, but we'll wait till we get to like...
You come down here for rides a lot? Just to
yeah, just to drive.
Stretch it out a little
just
bit?
to drive.
Yeah.
See, like over here, there's no cops. You can just go over.
That is crazy.
Yeah, man.
So if you put the pedal to the metal, you'll get that growl.
Yeah,
growl comes out.
Yeah, you'll hear the exhaust. It'll really want to like really go. All right.
I'm going 40.
I know, right? It feels crazy.
Crazy. What's nice is that you really have a lot of control over that exhaust too.
Yeah. So I mean, when you're just driving calm, like you don't really hear it too much. But once you like beat on it, oh, the thing it's loud.
Beat on it and it acts up, and then if you let go, it kind of goes.
Yeah, it just kind of quiets back down a little bit. It's a nice exhaust. Shifts like crazy, right?
That is cool.
Yeah, the shifting is so nuts.
The shifting is crazy.
Yeah, that was like the first thing I noticed. Once I got the car back, I was like, damn, the shifting. Just like the shift points is so quick.
Did the car drive like that when you first got it, or is it all the mods that, I mean, it's, first of all, it's so responsive, right? Like
I think mainly the biggest difference is definitely the tune. But I mean, because when I was driving it stock, it was fast, but it seemed like it had like a little bit of a lag.
Right.
But now it's like the shift points are just like this. Like when you press the gas down, like this thing is just taking off. If you want, we could probably hit this U-turn. Because I think like a little further up that rough road comes up.
You know what I noticed? It always gets rough in Suffolk County.
Yeah, that's usually where it happens.
Same thing on the Long Island Expressway.
All right, actually, you know what? There's no one here, so do a takeoff. Ready? Go. That's crazy, right?
Wow, that is awesome.
You get that 0 to 60 so fast.
Oh, and I wasn't even punching it.
Yeah, and I wasn't even punching it.
Yeah.
Wow, the sun's bright.
I don't want to do that either, because I like to get a feel for a car before I start going crazy with it. Yeah.
Right.
But yeah, no, this is great, man.
I know that straightaway just makes you want to. Crazy how fast that picks up.
It is crazy. It's lovely, man.
Yeah.
It's great. It's like if you're into cars, like this is like what you want to be driving.
Go. That's crazy, right?